Okay, so I've got this salmon I'm going to cook. Actually, I'm going to make, there's 2 big salmon fillets here. We're going to take one out tonight. We're going to make salmon nuggets. If you don't like fish, you can skip this video because we love seafood. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top fillet and I'm going to go rinse it off, then pat it dry, and I'm going to cut it into nuggets. I'll come back when I cut it to nuggets. In the meantime, I've got my skillet on the stovetop. I've got a cast iron skillet. I think it's my Black Lock. I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. I also have some hush puppies left over from yesterday's fried fish, and I'm going to heat these up in the oven, and we'll have those with these. Just patting it dry with some paper towel. And we're just going to cut it into little nuggets. And this other slice I have over here, I'm going to cut it into individual servings. And I'm going to keep 2 out to cook for tomorrow. The rest of it I'm going to freeze. Okay, my butter is almost melted. Just want to make sure it coats the whole skillet good, and you want it good and hot. You also can season it however you like. If you just want to add a little salt to it, that's fine. Salt, pepper, a little garlic, whatever you want. You season it however you want. Right now, all we have in there is butter. And I'm just going to dump all that in there. And I didn't cut that slice. Look at there. You know, and you can just keep it in one big slice if you want. I saw this little recipe where it was cut nuggets like this, so I thought that would make good little snacks. I've got my skillet on medium heat. I'm just turning them all skin side down. You don't have to. But I'm going to cook the skin side down first. Try to get it a little crispy. And that way I can season the top of them. Now I'm going to season it with salt. Got Himalayan salt here. I'll sprinkle some of that on. And some pepper. It does not take long for these to cook either. Alright, and we're going to do a little onion powder. Alright, onion powder. And we got some garlic powder. Gotta go easy because it comes out quick in this big container. Okay, so you only have to cook it about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And you just want to flip them over. You know what? I need my fish spatula. you don't have a fish spatula, I'll put a link in the video description. These come in very handy when you cook fish. I have this gluten-free soy sauce I'm going to add. I'm just going to sprinkle some over the top like this. I've got the heat off now. It's just still simmering because the skillet stays hot for a few minutes. But you don't want to overcook it because salmon will dry out very quickly. Just do about 3 minutes max each side. Only takes about 6 minutes to cook all this. Don't take long at all. Alright, we'll see what Steve thinks. But it's seafood, so Steve's going to think it's drill worthy because he loves seafood. Alright, salmon bites. Go ahead.
They're like a big piece of salmon, only they're smaller.
What do you think?
They taste good. I like them. I'd rather be eating than talking. 2 thumbs up, drill worthy.
Thank you.